building strong private practices through specialized mental health treatment training. Hello, I'm Dr. Deborah Wingfield, and I want to talk to you today about the building blocks that are important in building a specialized mental health treatment practice. Now, building blocks are a lot like bricks, like this one. And what we want is to build solid private practices with good, strong building blocks that build strong foundations. Now, I'm not going to hold this up anymore because it's a little bit heavy for me. But I wanted to share with you the point that you don't want to build your private practice on a weak foundation. You want to build your private practice on a strong foundation, a foundation that helps you work effectively with the clients that you have chosen for your niche. So building block number one is you build your confidence when you have selected your client niche and you work towards building your expertise in that area. Now, building block number two is building in-depth knowledge of your client's issues. And the way that you do that is through specialized mental health treatment training. Not only do you build building block number two, which is your knowledge, but you want building block number three, building your skills to work effectively with clients in your niche. And what that means is you want to find quality trainers who train using interactive, experiential training to help you build the skills along with the knowledge that they're imparting to you in your training. Building block number four also is a part of that trilogy, and that's being able to build effective approaches to work with your clients. And those you also learned through specialized mental health treatment training. So when you're looking for a trainer, those things that you want to find are a trainer that covers knowledge, skills, and effective approaches. That leads us into building block number five. You build your credibility when you have all three of those knowledge, skills, and approaches that you're able to work with client issues on. And I want you to remember that your generalist training is just that. It's generalist training. It doesn't hone in on the specifics that you need to work with client issues that maybe need special approaches. So beyond that, you want to go to building block number six. And building block number six is building greater competence so that you start receiving referrals not only from your clients, but you receive referrals from other therapists in the community. And that can, in fact, spread out to receiving referrals from managed care providers because they realize that you have that greater level of competence in working in your client niche. And finally, building block seven allows you to take and put all that together so that you have your knowledge, your skills, and your effective approaches, and you now are able to offer training through your expertise to other therapists who you would like to be referring to, because by this time your caseload is probably overflowing and you need more help to work with your clients, and you want to train therapists who are working with your clients to have that same level of knowledge, skills, and effective approaches. Now, the way that you can learn that in working with adult children from dysfunctional families is by taking advantage of the Beyond Inner Child strategic design model training offered through beyondinnerchild.com. And yours truly, Dr. Deborah, is your trainer in that model. And what we will be doing together is walking you through step by step so that you have that solid, strong foundation and all of your building blocks are in place. Now here's what I want you to do right now. At the bottom of this blog post, you will find a link to the BeyondInnerChild.com website. I want you to go there and I want you to sign up for the limited time scholarship-driven e-course that is available only to a certain number of therapists. And when those scholarships are gone, they're gone forever.